Good evening, friends. Nalakshi Swami here. I was just tracking the price action of Larsen and Toubro after the results. Even though it had given good results, little weakness in the margin. So they plummeted this stock. It was actually horrifying. Actually, they sold it from the level of 2369 straight away to the 2248. 2248. So how much percentage? Totally 5.6 percentage. 5.6 percentage of fall within a single day. And where it had fallen, just I caught my eye. It is exactly to this structure. You can see it had made higher highs, and this is the consolidation range. It was near the consolidation range of the swing. Then I started closely watching this stock, and I started noticing from 23rd May till June, it started undergoing through ping pongs, liquidity ping pongs. That is nothing Wyckoff accumulation. I got interest because of this gap, fair value gap, because in smart money concept, when there is a fair value gap like this, they will tend to come back to the level. These sellers who have sold, they will come back to that level to mitigate that. That is one thing. Later, if the demand increases, certainly there will be some sort of reaction from this area for Larsen and Toubro. I'm not going to talk about that. Let me zoom out here. I started tracking this, and off late I started trading in options because of the new SEBI rules and the margin money squeeze. They were not giving margin. I used to trade in futures. Futures, it is like trading in equity, but more quantity. If you get the margin, you would have traded in futures and you would have held it for 1 month, or even you can do intraday trading. That was profitable. But when I started doing options trading, a bit confused. I went through a lot of videos and all. I learned alpha, beta, theta, Greeks and everything, time decay, everything. And there were, you name it, there are so many strategies running on the YouTube, like straddles, strangles, and all those things. Somehow, I was not convinced about the straddles or strangles or anything. I wanted a simple buying strategy or simple selling strategy. So I started closely observing the option premium, and also the price action. So perfectly, this price action and option premium, if you watch it very carefully, it matches. So for that, you need to go to option chain. And when you're selecting a particular strike, you click on that strike, price, click on the price, and it will take you to the other section. When it goes there, you have to go to the historical data. If you get the historical data and if you start observing comparing the price movement and the ranges, and also comparing with the ranges formed on the price chart, underlying chart, something amazing I noticed. Something amazing I noticed here. What happened on, I think it is on, let me bring it back. So let me explain. On 23rd or 30th, 25th May, let it be, that made a low of 51.51 rupees. And later, in this range, when it came to this range, the low was not that low. It made a higher low because same price was there, 2,200, and it touched the low, another low of 2,201. Later, I started observing the range of the price premium. It made a range of from 53.5 to 64 rupees and 63 rupees. And also here, when it made a low of 51 rupees, 64 rupees was the range. And on second, I was able to notice the price premium made a higher low, making a 56.5 rupees. That is the premium of 2,200 call option. And you can see clearly the price coming out of the range. And if I add this, I'm not able to see properly. Here you can see if you draw the line for the closing of all the bullish candles, this candle on 2nd June stood out. That was indicating it is showing some sort of range expansion, that too with a very bullish close. And the close is almost only 25% away from the high it has made. Similarly, same call option made a high of 72 rupees and also made a higher low of 56.5, corresponding to the higher lows, higher high and higher lows. So this was the range 64 rupees and it was above that 72 rupees. Then it confirmed me. I started tracking this stock. It came out of this accumulation. Once it comes out of this accumulation, there will be 3 phases. Let me explain this clearly. See, when it comes, this after the initial fall, there will be immediate reaction. After that, there will be a fall. After this fall, there will be a liquidity ping pong like this. Can you see anything interesting here? It made a change of character by making the higher high. If I place the cursor on this high, 2,228, and this high was 2,241. But even though it closed around 2,220. Here the close was 2,197. 2,220 is the higher close. 24 is the higher close when compared to this candle high and also close. So this is the change of character. When I notice the change of character, I should anticipate for the higher low. For the confirmation of this high, this price action should show higher low. For that, one more you can take for that thing, you can take FIB tool and the retracement should not exceed below the 0.618%. It was perfect. When it retraced back, it was perfect, 2,204, and it was 2,200. 2,000, it is low was 2,200 and the another low was 2,000, higher low, 2,200. So this low confirmed this high and this candle confirmed on the 2nd June, confirmed the bullishness. And also on option premium, when I tracked the option premium range also, the range was 64 and the low was 53.5 and 51 point. It are ranging between 51 to 53 point. Here on June 2nd, this candle showed the showed the bullishness, and also on the option premium, it was 2200 call option. The low was 56.5 and the high was 72. So it confirmed it needs to be confirmed in option that range has to be expanded. When you see here, though price had not gone to this level, 2241, it made a high of 2237. This high confirmed made a high of 72 rupees. So it was interesting. So I took the position around 50. I had taken the position by seeing the previous price action 51, 52 and all. Around 53 or 54 I took position, I believe. See, from the 54 to it ran up to 180 rupees. Can you believe? So keeping the stop loss of 51 or 53, and for confirmation of this accumulation and price expansion, you can hold the call option. Reason for that is it started this low and expansion started in the beginning of the month. You just note down, it should be that accumulation, range expansion should take place in the beginning of the month. That is around 2nd of June. That is a fresh contract start, monthly contract start. So you got lot of time till the month end. Now still it is only half of the month has finished. That is 17 days are over from 2nd June. See, from here, from the level of 53 rupees, it had gone to 180. 180 is the high. 1 minute. 180 minus 53, it gave 127 points multiplied by 300 is equal to 38,100 rupees with the investment of only 15 to 16,000. Isn't it amazing? So it is almost 3 times the money you have invested. Your risk was very less. That is only 2 rupees stop loss. With the 2 rupees risk, that is 53 and the low was 51, and with the 2 rupees, that is minimum 600 rupees stop loss, you were able to get into the swing trade in the option. So the condition should be you should notice the swing in the beginning of the month, beginning of the contract, or it should not be here actually. That is not, you should not go for buying the call option or anything. Now at the end of this month, it has come up to this level, and it has filled the gap. It has filled the gap, and almost here. Now the question arises whether it is going to cross this high and make a new. Only price action, because here after coming over here, it is consolidating in a range. Now it is you have to wait and watch for the expansion of this range and expansion, not falling below this. Not falling below this will confirm you that it is going to go up. It can make a new high going past 2,360. Okay, so this is how one can, if you carefully observe the price action as well as combine with the option premium price action, tracking with the help of historical data, one can hold the position, take the position for 15 days with minimum amount of money invested. Suppose if you would have wanted to take a position of 300 lots in futures, let me calculate how much money you would have needed. 2000, it was 2,200 into 300, you would have needed 6,60,000 rupees. So previously they used to give margin. If you would have had 3 lakhs or something, you would have got 10x actually. Now the total margin have been crunched and retailers are forced to take the position in auctions. Actually, retailers, what they are making mistake is they are entering in a entry will be wrong, and most of the time they will undergo through losses. So I have made an attempt to show you people this is how you can identify the structure, you can identify the stocks and good stocks, and you can take a position in it like this and ride the position. You would have made good sum of money. So this is a perfect example of my accumulation and tracking. Another stock is I'm tracking is closely is Jindal Steel. Jindal Steel. No, it's not giving. Jindal Steel and Power. See, if you see here, I'm tracking and I'm posting the thing. Same thing. Same thing. It has fallen and now it is a bit late actually. It is struggling to go up, not like and the price action is so very, very bull. I mean, without any break, it is going because this level gap is very nearby, and it also gave very good money. 530 call option from 13 rupees. It has run up to 25.9. Yesterday, it made a high of 25.9. And I'm anticipating around 29 to 30 rupees on this premium once it fills the gap. So this is also like I tracked, and this was a consolidation from the month of May, and here it started showing same thing I followed on the historical data. I started seeing the higher lows on the option premium and also range expansion on the option premium. So friends, you too can make money if you start tracking the structure and all those things, and it needs patience, but patience pays you very, very well. So why can't you people start? And continuously I'm making videos on that. Please watch my video and subscribe to it. You will get more benefits. I'll be bringing more content like this continuously. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.